Today we'll do sums, different types of sums based on the topics what we have done in last video, that is the application of derivatives in economics. So let's start. The factory, for production of Q articles, standing charges, labor charges, processing charges given and price of an article is given. Okay, so first of all हम P P is what, price को हम P से denote करते हैं, that is 1700 minus 3Q. Okay, now what is demand? Demand is Q. Okay, so demand is denoted by D, so that is Q. Demand is equal to Q. Okay, now what will be the profit? What will be the value of Q if the profit is increasing? Profit is increasing मतलब revenue हमें सबसे पहले find out करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so what will be the revenue? Revenue will be equal to P into D. So D is demand, that is equal to Q. Okay, so P into Q, and P is given. What is the price of an article? 1700 minus 3Q multiplied by Q. Okay, so it will be equal to 1700Q minus 3Q square. Okay, so this is the value of revenue. So now we have to find out for what value of Q the profit is increasing. So profit find out करने के लिए what will be the value of profit? Profit will be equal to R minus C. Okay, so C is cost. So first of all we will find out the value of cost. So what will be the value of cost? Cost means standing charges 500 plus labor charges 700 plus processing charges 50Q, and the total will be 1200 plus 50Q. Okay, so this is the price of this is the cost. Okay, so R is P into Q, so that is 1700Q minus 3Q square. Okay, now minus that one 1200 plus 50Q. So it will be equal to 1700Q minus 3Q square minus 1200 minus 50Q. Okay, so 1200 minus 50Q. So now the value will be 1700 plus minus 50Q will be 1650Q minus 3Q square minus 1200. Okay, so this will be the value of profit. So now we have to find out the value of, so this is what, this is profit. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll find out, we'll differentiate and profit with respect to Q, then only so we'll denote profit by something. P is there, so we'll denote gain, G. Okay, gain. So it means now it differentiating this dg upon dq. So that will be equal to 1650 minus 3 into 2 6q square नहीं होगा 6q, and this will be 0 because this is a constant. Okay, so what will be the value? This will be the value. Now profit is increasing, so for that this should be greater than 0. It means 650 is okay. 1650 should be greater than 6q. Okay, so 6q and no, q will be lesser than 1650 divided by 6. Okay, so that will be 6q is 1650 is greater than 6q. It means q should be lesser than 200. Q should be lesser than 275. Okay, इससे lesser होना चाहिए q. Okay, then the profit will be increasing. Demand function is given by D, that is denoted by D, and it is given by 40 minus 5p upon a. P is what? P is the price. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out whether the demand this is increasing or decreasing function. Okay, So first of all, what we'll do, we'll find out the derivative of d with respect to p. So what we'll get, 0 minus 5p. So 5 upon 8. Okay. So it means this. So it means d of demand upon d of price is equal to minus 5 upon 8. That is lesser than 0. This derivative of demand with respect to price is lesser than 0. So it is decreasing. So it is a decreasing function. होगा ना decreasing function? Okay, we have another question. The price P for demand D and the function of P is given with in the term of D. So P is a differentiable function of D. Now we have to find out the D for which the price is increasing. So P should derivative of P with respect to D we have to find out. It will be 0 plus 120 minus 3 into 2 6D. Okay, because we are differentiating. Now for increasing function, dp upon dd should be greater than 0. It means 120 plus 120 minus 6d should be greater than 0. It means 120 should be greater than 6d. 20 and so d should be lesser than 20. Okay. So if demand is lesser than 20, in that case the price will be increasing. So we have another question. The total cost is given by a function c is equal to cost is c, total cost is c, and that is a function of x. Okay. So c is equal to 100 plus 600x minus 3x squared. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find out the value of x for which total cost is decreasing. So first of all, this is total cost and cost decreasing के लिए dc upon dx. Okay, with respect to x we have to find out. So we'll find out the cost for decreasing. Okay, this should be lesser than 0 so that it will be decreasing. So first of all, we'll find out the value. So it will be, so dc upon dx will be equal to 0 plus 600 minus 3 into 2 6x. Okay. So dc upon dx should be lesser than 0 for decreasing. Okay, total cost decreasing के लिए. It means 600 minus 6x should be lesser than 0. It means 600 should be lesser than 6x. 100. Okay. So x should be greater than 100. If value of x will be greater than 100, then the total cost will be decreasing. Okay. So total cost function of total cost, that will be a decreasing function if the value of x, matlab the quantity item, the number of items is greater than 100. This part is the total cost is decreasing is very easy. So cost is given. Very simple. Cost will be equal to, total cost will be labor cost 150 minus 54x plus processing cost that is x cost. So what you have to do, total cost is given. Now total cost is decreasing. Okay, average cost is decreasing कहता तो क्या, what is the value of average cost, c upon x, but here total cost is decreasing के लिए we have to take this one. So dc upon dx, the derivative of cost with respect to x. X is the number of units. Okay, so it will be 0 minus 54 plus 2x. Okay, so it should be decreasing. It means this should be lesser than 0. It means 2x minus 54 should be lesser than 0. It means 2x should be lesser than 54 and 27. So x should be lesser than 27. Okay. So if x, the number of units is lesser than 27, then the cost will be decreasing. And the second one is revenue. So what is the value of R? Revenue का value क्या होता है? P into, this is price, P into D, demand. How कितने units का demand है? तो x unit का ही demand है ना? So because produce कर रहे हैं x unit. Okay. So it will be P is given by 10800 minus 4x square multiplied by x. It means 10800 minus x minus 4x cube. Okay. So what will be the value of now revenue is increasing, find out करना है. So dr divided by dx should be greater than 0. Okay. And what will be the value of dr upon this is r, this is revenue. Okay. So it will be 10800 minus 4 into 3 12, x should be greater than 0. It means 12x should be lesser than 10800. So 12x is less than 10800, so x will be lesser than 900. Okay, so x will be lesser than 900. Okay. You understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.